Okay, today our overview of SCM Fusion SCM technical overview. What is the agenda of SCM technical overview? Let's say, for example, if you are using any EBS technology, so we have inbound interface and outbound interface. What is use of inbound interface? You can load the data into Fusion application by using inbound interface. At the time, you can write a PL/SQL statement. Okay, like you need to receive the data from client. Once you receive the data from client, you need to develop your PL/SQL code. You can load into staging table. Once data is available in staging table, you can run your standard concurrent program. Once you can run the standard concurrent program, all data will be transferred into your Oracle applications. Like that, here also same as inbound interface is there. That is the calling as a loaders. How many types of loaders is available in Fusion applications? These are the inbound interface. One is spreadsheet loader, second one is file-based loader, third one is SCM data loader, fourth one is pay batch loader. When these loaders can be used in your real-time scenarios. Let's say, for example, your data volume less than 100 records, at the time you can go for spreadsheet loader. More than 100 records, you can go for SCM data loader. When we are using pay batch loader, if you are using pay batch loader, like if you are creating any bank accounts, element entries for payroll model, at the time you can use as a pay batch loader. Okay. Next thing is outbound interface. What is the use of outbound interface? What is the definition of outbound interface? Outbound interface is nothing but you can extract the data into one file. Let's say in EBS technologies, we have lakhs of records is there. We need to extract the data into, we can put into one single file based upon the client requirement. Same as we have one outbound interface is there. That is the HCM extract. Another one is BI report. When you are using HCM extract, when you are using BI reports. BI reports you can use based upon the client requirement. You can write a complex business validation, at the time go for BI reports. When you are using SCM extracts, SCM extracts can be used for, you can, let's say for example, I am as a HR, I am changed some employee information today. What are the records will be changed as today? At the time you can go for SCM extract. BI reports will not supported. Okay. You can go through in detail, and also next thing is how will you provide a security for your reports. Let's say for example, if you are developing any report, you need to provide a security. Who access, let's say I am as a HR for Indian organization, who can able to run this report for only Indian employees. I am not able to see any outside of the Indian employees, UK employees. At the time, how will you provide a security for this report? And also fast formulas. Okay, in EBS or Oracle, they are calling as a functions. Function is nothing but you can should be written a value. Same as one of the concept is available in Fusion application, that is a fast formula. What is example of that fast formula? Let's say for example, I am as an employee. I completed 5 years experience in my organization. At the time, they are giving some service award, they are giving some bonus. How will you calculate your service? Based upon your hire date, based upon your current date, they are calculating your service date. Where you need to calculate the service days by using fast formulas. Go to in detail for inbound interface. Let's say for example, if you are using any spreadsheet loader, what are the objects will be supported? Okay. By using spreadsheet loader, you can able to load only 21 objects. And also you cannot update and delete by using spreadsheet loader. It's not supported. Only supported for 4 flex fields. What is the drawback of this spreadsheet loader? Let's say for example, in our application, if you are defining more than 4 flex fields, you cannot load the data into Fusion applications. Why? Because of spreadsheet loader will be allow only 4 flex fields. And second drawback of this spreadsheet loader, you cannot update record, you cannot delete that record into Fusion applications. That is the two drawbacks for this spreadsheet loader. Where Which version this spreadsheet loader will be available? From release 5 onwards, this spreadsheet loader will be available. Coming to file-based loader and HCM data loader. File-based loader, right now no one can use, all customers can be use HCM data loader. What is the difference between file-based loader and HCM data loader? They are calling as HDL. Same as file-based loader also supported 21 objects. If you are using HDL, 90 objects will be supported. Okay, when you are preparing a file at the time, your components will be different. But all components will be put into one single file by using HCM data loader. The date format of file-based loader YYY-MM-DD. If you are using HDL, the date format is YYY/MM/DTD. In Fusion applications, we have 4 types of keys. If you are using FBL, only one key will be supported, that key is GUID keys. Okay, GUID keys automatically generated when you are trying to load an object at the time that GUID keys will be generated. HDL will be supported all keys. What are the 4 types of keys? One is GUID keys, second one is user keys, third one is surrogate key, fourth one is source key. I will explain that later. When you are going for HDL topic, at the time I will explain that all keys. And also main drawback of by using FBL, you cannot upload your documents, you cannot upload your images, photos. If you are using HDL, you can upload your images, your documents of records. Flex fields, it will be supported but limit. If you are using HDL, all flex fields will be supported. If you are using any FBL inbound interface, at the time you are not deleting any record. If you are using HDL inbound interface, you can delete all records. Coming to HCM extract. What is the HCM extract? HCM extract is one of the Oracle tool who can extract data into your file. Once data is available into file, you can send a notification to your customer. Okay. What are the HCM extracts? How will we build this HCM extract, and all will be covered later. How many types of HCM extract? These are the person, assignment, payroll, calendar. These 5 modules I will cover whenever going for HCM extracts. Okay, coming to BI reports. What is use of BI reports when you are using this BI reports? As per, let's say some standard reports is available, but customer is asking to you want to develop new report as per customer requirement, client requirement. At the time you can go for BI reports. What is the main advantage of BI reports? You can handle multiple queries. Let's say, for example, your customer is asking, want to build your query different tables. At that time, you can handle multiple queries. And also, you can handle business logics. For example, I want to develop a report as of day, how many employees is available in your system. At the time, you can handle by using business logic. And also, you can provide a security. Okay, I am as a HR, I am as an employee, I am as a manager. What are the reports I am able to access? I am as an employee, what are the reports I am access? I am as a contract employee, what are the report will be I am able to access? Based upon the requirement, you can provide a security for this report. And also, the main advantage of you can schedule the report as per your client requirement. If you want either hourly, weekly, daily, based upon your requirement. Next topic is FAST formula. Where we can write a FAST formula. What is the advantage of FAST formula? Already I will explain. Okay, these are the slides. Okay, you can go for these are the our course. In our content, I will give overview of HCM data loader. I will give overview of enterprise and all these things, and also how will you load and all these things, and also how will you I will provide how to build your queries, how to build your like how to define your HTML stack. I will explain real-time scenarios also. In Fusion applications, I have 5 years of experience. Whatever I have done in my 5 years of experience, I will explain to you, and also I will give an assignment. Also, I will provide supporting also. Okay, these are the overview of Fusion SCM applications. What are the topics I will cover and all these things. Okay, you can go through this one. You can identify. Okay, and one more thing. This course will be duration is around 35 to 40 hours. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can ask me.